Okay, I'm gonna show you how I turn from this to this. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. I don't know why for some reason I look completely different with and without makeup. I think it's the glasses. You can be the judge. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys, I changed and I put on some contacts. I usually wear like really clear ones, but I really can't find them. So this is the best that you're gonna get from me. And this hair, I'm sorry, I can't really do much about it. I need a haircut. Anyways, let's start. As you can see, I'm like breaking out a lot right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover my face first with concealer and then go on with foundation. I'm gonna use a Pro Conceal because it's like affordable. I don't know, I've used this for 2 years and it's still there, so that's a lot. I think I'm getting my period soon, that's why like I have so many breakouts. Okay, so while I'm like doing this to my face, I'm also like gonna conceal the sparse areas of my eyebrows so that it's more like snatched, you know, because I haven't really like tweezed them or anything or get my brows done because I'm a very busy woman. So this is our go-to method. I really like the LA Girl ones because they're very thick, like they're not water based. I mean, some of the concealers have water in it, so I don't know, I feel like over time some of the other concealers will be gone. So I really don't want this one to be gone, so I'm just gonna use this. But then if you do want a much lighter version, you can opt for the Fit Me ones. Are really great. I like using this under the eyes because I just want to brighten them like so. But we're gonna have to blend this one, but we don't blend the ones that's covering my pimples. I'm just gonna blend this part. I'm trying to like blend my eyebrows, but all of my brushes are so dirty right now. I should probably go wash them. But yeah. While waiting for the face to dry before I can actually start with my foundation, I'm just gonna start with my eyes area. So I primed earlier like around my eyebrows, but you can also prime using the same concealers on the lids. Honestly, much better than an actual like eye primer that they sell on the market, because I feel like those actually still slide sometimes. So I just used like a concealer. I'm just gonna use the Fit Me one just so we have like a base on for the eyes. I'm gonna use my fingers to do this. For the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use the Cute AF Yes Please palette. I like don't know what's the difference. Like it says Cute AF and then here it says Yes Please by Colourpop. Okay, let's zoom in. I'm gonna go light on this one. I'm using this I'm using the French Kiss one. I like don't know how to read the back of eyeshadow because I don't know if it's like exactly where it is or if it's like I'm just using these eyeshadows to kind of just enhance my eye area. Like I don't honestly want to do too much with the glitter because we're trying to catfish people, so we still want it to look believable. If it's like too much eyeshadow, just use a new brush and then just blend. It like works every time. All right. If you like the eyes and you think this is like enough, honestly I like adding a little bit more. I'm adding the Chafour, I think Chafour, I can't say things, and then just in the middle it's kind of like, it's just an addition. Okay, I think my concealer have dried off at this point, so let's add the foundation. I'm using the SuperStay one because I just love this one so much. I think this is like the top two, and my other favorite is the L'Oreal Pro Matte, but I don't have them right now, and they just for some reason don't have my shade in Indonesia. I think I use 103 or 104 and they don't have one of them. I don't remember which one, but this one is like pretty nice, and this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'm gonna pump some in the back of my hand. I'm gonna wet my sponge and then be right back. Okay, I have like some on my back and then I got a wet sponge, so I'm just gonna like layer. Make sure to cover those pores. It's okay to have like mummy lips as long as everything's covered. As you can see, like, you're not really moving the concealer around, you're just kind of like layering it. I hate it when I'm breaking it because I'm using way more foundation, because I'm just like not moving the things around, you know, so it's like true to the composition. If you guys are watching my video, like, tell me in the comments below what are you gonna use this tutorial for. Have you guys ever been catfished or have catfished people? I feel like a lot of people are so misunderstood. You don't actually intentionally want to like catfish people or make people or like lie to people, you know? Because then when I'm putting on makeup, that's just who I am every day, you know? Even if I'm not putting on makeup, okay, so now that I look pretty covered and I'm pretty happy with the coverage so far, I'm gonna go in and add in some color using an LA Girl concealer in the shade Toast. I'm just gonna lightly contour a little bit before eyebrows up, because it kind of helps with like, you know, how natural it looks actually, and just a little bit because you don't want to move the other concealers underneath it. So, and it's okay if like it looks harsh right now because we're gonna powder. Honestly, the face takes a while. Okay. Now that some of the parts of the eyebrows are kind of like gone, I'm gonna fill them in real quick. I'm gonna use the Etude House eyebrow pencil. Now that I'm pretty happy with this so far, I usually go in with a powder just to like set everything in, and right now it's still kind of like oily and I don't like that. I'm gonna use a loose powder from NYX. You can find any loose powder that you like. If you don't have any loose powder, I like my go-to emergency hack is I would just grab a compact powder and then just kind of like chopping them up with tweezers, and that's how I get my loose powder. I don't know if that's like even okay, but that's how I do it. But then I'm just using like a really dry sponge. This is the Real Techniques one, and baking it under the eyes. You know, as someone who's like super duper oily, this helps a ton and this saves my life so much. It's just, I don't know, life-changing. I don't even need a primer. This will do the job. Like, my camera died, so this is me with the face full on baked and it's ready to be cleaned up. I'm just gonna grab like a whatever brush. Sorry, this one fell. I'm just gonna grab like a big fluffy brush and sweeping them like so. I think the sweetest thing anyone's ever said to me before was, so I met this person online, and when I met them in real life, the person said to me that he feels like he got reverse catfished, and that was like the sweetest thing I've ever heard. Like, you guys can see the difference. This one looks so much smoother. Yeah, this one keeps falling. Oh my god, it keeps falling. Okay, now that we're kind of done with the face, but not really because it's still kind of pale, I'm using the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips in the shade Waikiki Strip, and I'm gonna grab the bronzer, the bronze part of it. It has like a shimmer, so it will help your face to look a lot healthier, I think. Or I'm just gonna swirl everything in because it's like kind of peachy and it has also like a glowy effect. Look at the difference, this side and this side. We're also like, look, it's like highlight and bronzer at once, so you're just, I don't know, you're saving time. That's what I'm gonna say. I like how it looks super like cool tone bronzers. Just I feel like they just look better on my skin. It looks a lot more natural sometimes compared to like warmer bronzers. So I really like these ones. If you feel like your nose is not like as defined still, I just grab a little bit, like literally like a little bit. I don't know, this looks a lot, but I also use it in the swiping motion, like downwards, so it's not like, you know what I mean? So it looks like a lot more natural because that's like how our nose shading is supposed to be. And I don't know, this is how I blend it. So for the lips, I'm gonna use a lip liner first, and this is the one, this is by NYX in the shade, oh my god, I keep dropping stuff, am I okay? In the shade Natural, and this is the retractable one. At some point I really just only use these because I like them so much, and I think on camera it doesn't really even show up that much. It helps though that your lip cream or lipstick doesn't like move around, because not only it becomes like a frame here, it has like an additional matte, super mattifying layer that the lip's gonna sit on top of. I like this look already, to be honest. And I'm using Bumble by Colourpop. This is like one of the first lipstick I've ever bought, like liquid lipstick in my life, was Bumble, and it was also from Colourpop. I remember them like still being super small on Instagram, and I bought them because I wanted to support, and it was only like $5, and everything in CVS or like Target was like above $5, so I was like, why the hell not? And they look gorgeous. I'm forgetting one of the biggest factor in this catfishing thing, which is, wait, ta-da! What do you guys think about the eyelashes? Do you think it suits the look, or it's too much, or it's too not too much? Let me know. But this is it. This is my how I catfish people look. and I'm gonna take some selfies right now and then see if it's pretty. And my tips on taking selfies is just like find a good lighting. I think lighting can really change everything. But yeah, the highlighter is also like really subtle, to be honest. I usually wear much more highlighter than this, but this is for like a selfie, so it's fine. Oh my god. So that is it for today's video on how I catfish people on Tinder and Bumble and Coffee Meets Bagel and Hinge and OkCupid and Sweet Escape. No, and Seeking Arrangement. Just kidding, that was the last one I did not. I'm definitely not on that one, but this is how I catfish people. And if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys are gonna use this tutorial for somehow catfishing other people, let me know. Tag me on social media. I post new videos every week. I sometimes post 3. Really depends on mood and availability. I hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.